Yeah, yeah. Now I'm recording. Yeah. Um, Good evening, Soumya. Good evening. Please tell me about yourself, highlighting on your strengths, and why should I select you as officer in Karnataka Bank? Please tell me.
Good evening, sir. My name is Soumya Kumari Gupta. I am from Giridih, Jharkand. I completed my schooling from BNS TFA Public School. I have completed my graduation in Bachelor's of Commerce in a specialization accounts honors. I have completed my post graduation in Masters of Commerce. My strengths are I am hardworking, I am a quick learner, I have good communication skills and interpersonal skills. My family consists of 4 members. My father is a businessman who owns a restaurant. My mother is a homemaker, and my brother is also a businessman who owns a tile shop. And
Yeah.
in my free time, I love to cooking, sir.
You said who is having restaurant? Your father.
Yes, sir.
Oh, what type of restaurant is it?
Sir, it is a type of restaurant where people come and eat, sir. Means it is a type of normal restaurant, sir.
No, that is, it is a vegetarian or non-vegetarian.
Yes,
Does
sir. It is. Yes, sir. It is a vegetarian restaurant, sir.
Acha. So what type of dishes are served there? Which dish is going more in numbers?
Sir, basically, sir, our shop is sir famous for its sabzis, which is paneer ki sabzi and sir tandoori rotis. And we
Oh,
sir also sell rice and dal in sir afternoon. And yes, sir, this type of things are sold in my restaurants.
very good. Good, good. Please tell me, do you at times help your daddy in the restaurant, or is he preventing you from coming to the place?
No, sir, I went, yes, sir, I went sometime in evening, sir, to help him when the customers are more in numbers, sir.
Oh, good. What type of assistance will you give for your daddy?
Sir, basically, sir, I see the work means my father usually sits on the cash counter, and sir, I usually see that all the person are serving, means all the people are getting their food on time. Yes, sir, this type of means I manage the restaurant, sir, in evening.
Very good. Excellent. Excellent. So what is the difference between restaurant and a bank?
The restaurant is a place where people come to eat, and sir, bank is a place where people come to sir, save means to deposit their extra money or take loan, and sir, they also come to open their accounts in banks. Sir.
No, but what is the difference in between these two? In restaurant, you are giving something in return for money you are receiving. That is,
Yes,
exchange takes place. Whereas in banking, what we do is only service. Apart from the interest is one thing that is separate. But apart from that, what is being done is only service. So banking is a service orientation industry. So which qualities in you do you think are more suitable for banking?
Sir, as in evening, I am managing my father restaurant also. So, sir, I know sir how to manage things very properly. Sir, I am also like hardworking and I'm a quick learner. I like to learn new technologies also. Yes, sir. And sir, I am also a very loyal and trustworthy person.
Good. In your restaurant, have you at any times faced some difficult people? People who cry, people who refuse to pay money, people who come after drinking and creating a lot of trouble. Have you witnessed any of those things or not?
Yes, sir. Sir, sometimes people also needy people also come in our restaurant, sir, to get some food in free. So, sir, we also sometimes we provide them food for free if they are like needy people. And yes, sir, sometimes some drunk people also come. So, sir, we basically don't like to serve those people who are more drunk, sir. But we usually serve the needy people, sir.
Yeah, good. So do you have some extra manpower for managing these troublesome situations?
Yes, sir. We have means our staff sir do this sir things. We don't have any extra manpower because in usually in here many people usually don't drink very much, but we have staff who are like who do servings and all. They help in this type of situation, sir.
Good, very good. Very nice. Can you tell me about what is a savings bank account in Karnataka Bank and what is a current account in Karnataka Bank? These two.
Yes, sir. Sir, Karnataka Bank have different type of savings account, like sir, SB General account and sir SB Instant Online account. Then KBL Vanita, KBL Tarun, KBL Kishore, and sir KBL Sugma. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
This type of
Yeah.
account they have in savings account.
Now, why they have different type of savings accounts? So why should they have KBL Vanita, why should they have something like KBL General and all that? What is the a reason for having different type of savings accounts?
Sir, they have different types of saving account to serve different types of persons, mean different age group. Sometimes, like for women, there is KBL Vanita, and sir, for students, they have sir KBL Tarun and the KBL Kishore. So this type of account they have, sir, to means to serve different age customers, and sir means they also serve the customers which have more balance. They give different type of offers or services to them.
Good.
Yes, sir.
That is a good point. That is a good point. You should tell different kinds of offers. You should say the features are different. There will be slight difference in features and benefits. Just as in your restaurant,
Yes.
you have rice, you have dal, you also have chapati or dal roti, something. So
Yes.
they all cater to the needs of different people. They serve different needs. So that point you have to say that the features are different. Now tell me about current account.
Sir, in current account, Karnataka Bank has also sir different type of current accounts. Sir, like they have like money platinum money account, like diamond account. Means they also have different type of accounts in Karnataka Bank for savings. Means for current account person.
So what is the difference between savings bank account and the current account?
Sir, savings account is opened by sir individual, and these are opened for the purpose of developing a habit of savings among them. And the current account is open usually by businessmen. And in savings account, there is some limit for deposit and withdrawal. But in current account, there is no limit for withdrawal and deposits. In savings account, people usually get some interest on their deposits. But in the case of current account, people usually don't get any type of interest on deposits. In savings account, in current account, there is also a facility of overdraft, which is given to the current account holders, but in savings account, there is no such type of options available.
No, in the case of savings account for Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana, there is an option for 10,000 rupees overdraft.
Yes, I hope,
sir. Yeah, that is in what is that account in basic savings bank account. Doesn't matter. You have to be very nice. Now, have you gone through the website of our Karnataka Bank?
Yes, sir.
Then can you tell me what are the different KBL Express products?
Sir, KBL Express products. Yes, sir. Sir, they have KBL Express for sir means house loans. They have KBL Express, and sir, they have KBL Express vehicle loan. Sir, for car loan and for bike loan, sir, they have. And sir, they have, sir, they have education loan, means for education purposes.
That is
They have
also
loan, sir.
KBL Express is there for that also?
No, sir, I guess no, sir. There are
No,
only KBL Express.
No,
sir,
what I see on the screen is KBL Express home loan, KBL Express car loan, KBL Express easy ride. That is for purchase of two-wheelers.
Yes.
Then KBL
Yes,
Express cash loan, paperless digital process with instant dispersal, KBL instant SB account online. Then these are the things I am seeing here. KBL Express. Okay,
Yes.
good. Can you tell me
Yes.
what is FASTag?
Sir, FASTag is a type of means when we cross any toll plaza, then we have to pay some money or some toll for passing that toll. So, sir, FASTag is introduced by government to collect that toll money, and so different bank are offering FASTag of their bank. Like our Karnataka bank is also offering FASTag facilities for their for anybody. And sir, in FASTag, you can means you can this is a type of wallet in which person can add money in their wallet and can make the payment at the toll without waiting at the toll. Yes, sir. There is also a means a barcode which is placed on the wind seat of the car, and it is automatically scanned on the toll gate.
See here, you should know about there is a security deposit. If you go through the website, you will know that I don't know whether you have gone through this. Charges and fees. Have you gone through this?
Yes, sir. Means they have different type of charges, sir, but I can't remember all.
Vehicle class 4, 5, 6, 7, 12, something like that. They say there is a security deposit, there is a load amount, and the tag cost. Tag cost is there. And see, VC4 is tag color is violet, car, Jeep, VC5 is orange, something like that. Different colors are there. GST also is to be paid.
Yes.
Okay, very good. Yes. So this is FASTag. Good, very nice. Please come to agriculture. Do you have interest in agriculture? Not sir, much. Not much. Group. Do you have lands in your family's name?
No, sir.
No lands. Then do you know about Kisan credit card?
Yes, sir. I know like little what is like Kisan credit card, sir. This type of card are given.
No. Listen. In real interview, you don't have to tell little. You tell whatever you know. Why do you have to say, I know a little, I know only some point? You should not use that negative expressions. समझ गया?
Okay, sir.
अभी क्रेडिट कार्ड का बारे में बताइए.
सर किसान क्रेडिट कार्ड.
हाँ जी.
Yes, sir. Sir, Kisan Credit Card is like launched in 1998 by NABARD. Sir, this scheme is introduced to meet the credit requirement of agriculture sector by giving farmers some financial assistance. And sir, by using the KCC card, they can like use for post harvest expenses, for consumption requirement, like for investment in credit requirement of agriculture and allied activities, they can use a Kisan credit card, sir. And this scheme is implemented through commercial banks, small finance bank, and cooperative banks.
So what is up to what amount Kisan credit card is given without any security?
Sir, it is 1.6 lakh.
Very good. Up to what extent interest subvention is given?
Sir, interest subvention is given, sir.
Up to 3 lakhs.
Sir, up to 3 lakhs. Okay,
up to 3 lakhs only interest subvention is given. Interest subvention of 4%. See, totally they say it is 9%, 9% interest, 2% is given by the state government, balance 7%. In that 7%, if the Kisan credit card repayment is done within the 1 year period, then the borrower will be given government's subsidy of 4%. Sorry, 3%, not 4, 3%, in which case the effective rate of interest will be only 4%. Okay.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Can you tell me what is MSME?
Sir, MSME is, sir, it is a type of sector that is, sir, media, sir, means, sir, it is a sector which is given priority by the government. Sir, sir,
I think you are struggling.
micro, yes, sir,
you
micro, small and medium enterprise, sir.
That word,
Yes,
you could not get that micro, so you were struggling.
Yes.
Tell me, micro unit means investment in plant and machinery should be less than how much?
So it should be less than 5 crores, sir.
Micro means?
Sir, when the investment is less than 5 crore and the total turnover is.
Sorry, wrong. Micro means investment in plant and machinery should be less than 1 crore and turnover less than 5 crore. If it is a small industry, investment in plant and machinery less than 10 crore,
10 crore.
And turnover less than 50 crore.
50 crore.
If it is a medium, the investment should be less than 50 crore and turnover should be less than 250 crore.
250 crore.
Samajh gaya?
Yes, sir.
What is GST? What is GST?
Sir, GST is a tax, indirect tax. Sir, it stands for goods and service tax. And sir, it is a tax which is levied indirectly on the consumer, and it is collected by the seller and given back to the government, sir. And sir, it means it comes under Ministry of Finance, means this GST tax. And sir, it is a destination-based tax, means it is collected when the customer consume that product, sir.
It has replaced the local sales tax. And the different rates are 0%, 5%, 12%, 18%, and 20. What is the last percentage, highest percentage?
So the last GST tax, sir, it is 28%. Sir.
I had a doubt whether it is 24 or 28. That's why I was hesitating. So you must tell that. Can you explain what is income tax? And can you tell the new income tax slab rates?
So income tax is a tax which is payable by the SSC for the income incurred by the person in the financial year, that is from the 1st April to 31st March. And sir, income tax income tax is a type of, and the slab of income tax is, sir, up to 3 lakh, there is no income tax. From 3 lakh to 6 lakh, there is 5% tax. From 6 lakh to 9 lakh, there is 10% tax. From 9 lakh to 12 lakh, there is 15% tax. And from 12 lakh to 15 lakh, there is a 15% tax, and from above 15 lakh, there is a tax of more than, means the income tax is 20%. Sir.
No, 12 to 15, I think it is 12% or so. I'm not sure. India income tax, new slab rates. Just a minute. Not that what you told was wrong. Up to 3 lakhs nil, 3 lakhs to 6 lakhs, 5% income which exceeds 3 lakhs. Then 6 lakhs to 9 lakh, it is 15,000 plus 10% of income over rupees 6 lakhs. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Then 9 to 12, it is 15%. And 12 to 15, 90,000 plus 20% of income. I think you told us 30% something. So I am not sure what it is. So I am showing you this. Just a minute.
Yes.
Are you
Yes,
seeing?
yes, sir,
On,
it is visible.
it's
Yes, sir,
visible.
it is
Yeah,
visible.
yeah. Then above 15 only 30%.
Yes.
1,50,000 plus 30% of the amount over 15 lakhs.
15 lakh.
But I don't know whether they will ask old slab, but the old slab is given here.
Yes.
This is same only. That is 5% up to 2 lakhs 50 to 3 lakhs, 3 lakhs to 5 lakhs, again 5%, 5 lakhs to 6 lakhs, 10%. Then 6 to 7.5, 10%, 7.5. So something, so you please get to know this. You should not say, I don't know, but be clear about this. If you do not remember the exact rates, the slab rates vary depending on the income. Like that you say. Okay.
Okay.
Very,
Okay, sir.
very good. Very good. Nice. Now, can you tell me what are the advantages of artificial intelligence?
Sir, the advantage of artificial intelligence is, sir, we can do the routine works which are done regularly through artificial intelligence. Sir, it reduces the dependency on human being, means we does not have to depend much on human being if we use artificial intelligence. Sir, it also eliminates the error which human does. Sir, it also eliminates the human errors, and then, sir, it is available for 24/7, and any person can work, sir, for like 8 hours or 10 hours, but it is available 24/7. And sir, it provides unbiased decisions, sir, and it is an unbiased decision making options.
Good.
Yes.
Excellent. Now, can you tell me what is digital rupee?
Sir, digital rupee is, introduced by Reserve Bank of India. Sir, it is a money which is available in digital, means in digital, and we cannot withdraw that money from the account.
In cash.
And sir, it is
We cannot
usually
withdraw it in cash.
cash.
It can be
Yes.
paid to another person in digital form.
Yes, it is.
Very good.
Yes.
Excellent. Excellent. Nice. You told nicely. Now, who is the President of India now?
Sir, Mrs. Draupadi Murmu, sir.
What is the connection between Mrs. Draupadi Murmu and Jharkand state?
Sir, Mrs. Draupadi Murmu was she was the governor of Jharkand, sir. Previously, she was governor of Jharkand, sir.
You please check up from which period you get to know that also. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Very. She is originally hailing from which state?
Sir, she is from Chhattisgarh.
No, Odisha, na? Hello.
Okay,
She is from
yes,
Odisha.
sir,
Yeah, it's good that I asked you. Mrs. Draupadi Murmu hails from which state? Draupadi Murmu was born to a Santali family on 20th June 1958 in Upar Beda village in Baido Posi area of Rai Rangpur, Odisha.
Oh, okay, sir.
Her father, Biranchi Narayan Tudu, was a farmer. Her father and grandfather were traditional heads, designated sarpanch, of the village council, Gram Panchayat. Her family named her Putti Dudu. Putti Dudu. Okay, that's very good.
Yes,
What was the work she was doing before coming to politics? Any idea?
sir, I don't know, sir.
You don't know. Acha. You must. Adda 24/7 is giving biography about Draupadi Murmu.
Yes,
Because you are a girl, they can ask about these people. She was in a teaching career.
okay, sir.
She was in teaching career, then she joined Bharatiya Janata Party.
Okay, sir.
Okay, good.
Yes,
Her
sir.
husband was a banker. Her
Okay,
husband
sir.
was a banker. He worked in Bank of India and he is no more. That is right. Now, can you please tell me what do you understand by CBS? What is CBS?
Sir, CBS is core banking solution.
Pardon? CBS is?
Sir, core banking solution.
Can you tell me what is core banking solution? How it is useful for the bank? How it is useful for the customers?
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, core banking solutions is like when the branch of one bank is connected with the main server of the bank, and we can do the operations from any means we can do the operation from any branch of that bank, and this is a means they are centralized they are centralized from the main server, and this help in like payments and sir onboarding new customers and managing and deposits, sir. And this type of functions can be done easily through core banking solutions. This help in sir improving the operations and addressing customers demand efficiently, and sir this also help in sir easily merging the new products of the bank. And yes, sir, they also helping sir reducing the error, means the multiple entries error. They also help in reducing this.
What is financial inclusion and what steps government is taking for getting this financial inclusion?
Sir, financial inclusion is providing the banking services in unbanked areas, and sir, for this government is opened sir small means they are offering means they gave the payments bank and sir small bank small payment means small banks account, sir. They are
Small
providing
finance bank.
yes, sir. Yes,
No,
sir, small finance banks.
actually, you should tell about Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana also.
Yes, sir. Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana.
And financial inclusion is providing banking and insurance services in areas hitherto not covered, and to see that these services are offered to customers at cheaper rates. Samajh gaya?
Okay, sir.
Very good.
Yes.
Excellent. So now, have you applied for other insurance company jobs also? Have you applied for LIC AAO?
No, sir, I did not apply. Sir.
You did not apply. Acha. Why? Why did you not apply?
Sir, I was not interested in working in insurance sector, so that's why.
You are not interested in insurance sector. That is right. So that's okay, fine. Now, can you please tell me the functions of DICGC?
Yes, sir. Deposit Insurance Credit Corporation of India is one of the subsidiaries of Reserve Bank of India, which provide insurance of the money in the bank account up to 5 lakh rupees.
Yeah, they give insurance for 5 deposits up to 5 lakhs per individual. Per individual customer. Good. Yes. Very good. You told nicely. Can you tell the last question for you? Can you tell what are the basic functions of RBI And also, what are the subsidiaries of RBI?
Yes, sir. Sir, RBI stands for Reserve Bank of India. It is the apex institute for banking in our country. Sir, it is a central bank of our country. Reserve Bank of India's functions are, sir, Reserve Bank of India issues currency in our country. Sir, they also manage the foreign exchange custodian. Sir, they are government banks. They provide loans to banks. Sir, they are the lender of last resort. Yes, sir. And the subsidies of Reserve Bank.
No,
Yes,
monetary policy you have forgotten. Monetary policy, controller of.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, inflation.
Yes,
they control the inflation.
Yeah, they are controller of controller of credit, sir. Yes, sir.
Can you tell me about subsidiaries?
Yes, sir. The subsidiaries of Reserve Bank of India are Deposit Insurance Credit Corporation of India, Bharti Note Mudran Private Limited, Reserve Bank of India Innovation Hub, Reserve Bank of India, Reserve Bank Information Technology Private Limited, Indian Financial Technologies and Elite Indian Financial Technology and Elite System.
Good.
And,
I think you have covered the 5. You have covered. Very good. Best wishes. God bless you. Attend the interview nicely on 3rd of May. And please send me the list of questions they are asking you. Okay. You are one of the prospective candidates I have in mind, but go with confidence and answer happily. But during the course of this interview, say at the 50%, 40%, 50% area and all, you were having slight hesitation in communication, or rather fear that should not be there. So please remember, you should communicate without any fear. Okay?